If you're looking for a simple way to completely change the look of a room, this 6 by 9 area rug is such an easy addition. Now, the first thing I noticed was how beautiful the colors are in person. Now, they also work perfectly with my lounge and add a little more warmth and character to the space without being overpowering. Now, the other thing that was also really easy for me was and position the carpet and get exactly where I want it to be. Now, the 6 by 9 size makes it really versatile too. You could use it in a living room, a bedroom, a dining area, office, or even underneath like a larger seating area. It will absolutely look beautiful. Now, one feature that I personally really like is the rubber backing. Now, it helps the rug stay in place instead of constantly sliding around, which is especially helpful if you are putting it over wood or tile or any other smooth surfaces like that. So overall, I am thoroughly impressed. I love how much it changed the space without me having to do anything major. It is super practical, it's versatile, and the colors of this carpet is absolutely beautiful.